Hi there, this is Chris Kellett with MuseGrid, and I'm going to show you some how to modify the sticky feedback widgets. Now, as you can see, we have left and right sticky feedback widgets. So there's actually 4 separate widgets here. You wouldn't put the left one on the right side and likewise. When we click on the unit, we can see at the top here that it's pinned top right, and this one here, top left, and you can see that the pin's top left there. That'll keep it in position as you scroll down the page. And the same with the right widgets, we're pinned top right and pinned top right. Okay, so how does this work? Well, this is using a tooltip widget. You can see that the settings are here, set to stacked, and it's set on click. But what we've done is the first tooltip item is transparent. Then if we click to open it, we can see that this second item is semi-transparent with items in it. So if we wanted to put this into a site, let's put it into a blank page first. So I'm going to grab the widget in its entirety, I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go to a blank website, let's say this one, and let's just change this so it's all white so it looks familiar, and then we'll just paste it in. Just going to take a second here to paste in. There we go. Now let's move it to the edge of the page, and notice when it goes to the edge of the page we get that red line appearing there. That tells us that we're on the edge of the page, and check that it's pinned to the left. Now let's look at modifying this. So we'll take this, make this page bigger, and if we wanted to add extra elements to this, we would click on the item, and then if we click in, we can see that the text and the form are highlighted, so we can click on that form item there. But let's first of all make it slightly bigger. So we'll grab it and we're just going to drag it down here like that, click out, then let's click back in again and select this form here and go to its controls here, and let's add, let's say for instance, a home telephone number. Now we've added that item into the bottom there, so we can move that item around now. We can move that up there, and we can grab the submit button and move that down. And let's say that's all the items that we want to add to this. Put that back in place. So let's make sure these are nice and evenly spaced here. Let's move that down, just nudge it down with the cursor keys. And we're happy with that. So we'll just move this back up into place till it's nice and neat. And then if we take a preview of that now, we can see that as we move that it's closed at the moment, and then if we click on it, we get our form opening up with the extra field now, and we can close it down again. So that's how you would modify the one of the sticky widgets. Thanks for watching.